Greetings, everyone, and a warm welcome. In this video presentation, I will be covering multiple choice questions, MCQs, focused on the knowledge of MS Word, MS Excel, MS Access, MS PowerPoint, PDF, and email. Dear viewers, if you want to practice these MCQs, turn off the volume of your mobile phone during the first round. Then, in the second round, turn on the volume to check your answers. For MCQs on other topics, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Let us try to solve some important MCQs one by one from the topic. Question 1. Which tab in MS Word is used for adjusting the page margins? A. Home. B. Insert. C. Layout. D. Review. The correct answer to question 1 is option C. Layout. Explanation: the Layout tab is used for adjusting page margins in MS Word. Question 2. How can you insert a page break in MS Word? A. Control plus Enter. B. Control plus Space. C. Control plus Shift plus P. D. Control plus Alt plus Del. The correct answer to question 2 is option A. Control plus Enter. Explanation: Control plus Enter is used to insert a page break in MS Word. Question 3. How can you apply bold formatting to text in MS Word? A. Control plus B. B. Control plus I. C. Control plus U. D. Control plus S. The correct answer to question 3 is option A. Control plus B. Explanation: Control plus B is used for applying bold formatting. Question 4. Which file format is commonly used for saving documents in MS Word? A. .doc. B. .xls. C. .ppt. D. .pdf. The correct answer to question 4 is option A. .doc. Explanation: .doc is a file format for saving documents in MS Word. Question 5. What is the purpose of the concatenate function in MS Excel? A. Combining cells. B. Counting cells. C. Calculating averages. D. Sorting data. The correct answer to question 5 is option A. Combining cells. Explanation: Concatenate is used for combining text from multiple cells. Question 6. How do you freeze panes in MS Excel? A. Control plus F. B. Alt plus F4. C. Alt plus W. F. D. Alt plus E. S. F. The correct answer to question 6 is option D. Alt plus E. S. F. Explanation: Alt plus E. S. F is the keyboard shortcut for freezing panes. Question 7. What does the function lookup in MS Excel do? A. Vertical lookup. B. Value lookup. C. Variable lookup. D. Volume lookup. The correct answer to question 7 is option A. Vertical lookup. Explanation: Lookup is used for vertical lookup in Excel. Question 8. How can you protect a worksheet with a password in MS Excel? A. File save as. B. Data sort. C. Review protect sheet. D. Home font. The correct answer to question 8 is option C. Review protect sheet. Explanation: The protect sheet option is used for protecting a worksheet with a password. Question 9. What is the primary purpose of MS Access? A. Graphic design. B. Database management. C. Web browsing. D. Word processing. The correct answer to question 9 is option B. Database management. Explanation: MS Access is primarily used for database management. Question 10. In MS Access, what is a query? A. A question asked in the database. B. A table in the database. C. A report generated automatically. D. A request for data retrieval. The correct answer to question 10 is option D. A request for data retrieval. Explanation: A query is a request for data retrieval from the database. Question 11. What is the purpose of the relationships feature in MS Access? A. Creating queries. B. Linking tables. C. Formatting reports. D. Sorting data. The correct answer to question 11 is option B. Linking tables. Explanation: the relationships feature is used for linking tables in a database. Question 12. In MS Access, what is a primary key? A. A key used for opening the database. B. A key used for sorting data. C. A unique identifier for records. D. A key used for encryption. The correct answer to question 12 is option C. A unique identifier for records. Explanation: a primary key is a unique identifier for records in a table. Question 13. Which view in MS PowerPoint allows you to see all the slides in a presentation at once? A. Slideshow. B. Normal view. C. Slide sorter view. D. Slide master view. The correct answer to question 13 is option C. Slide sorter view. Explanation: slide sorter view displays all slides in a presentation at once. Question 14. How can you add animation to text or objects in a PowerPoint slide? A. Slideshow start animation. B. Insert animation. C. Design animation effects. D. Home bold. The correct answer to question 14 is option B. Insert animation. Explanation: animation can be added using the Insert Animation menu. Question 15. What is the purpose of the Slide Master in MS PowerPoint? A. Applying themes to slides. B. Creating hyperlinks. C. Editing multiple slides consistently. D. Adding animation. The correct answer to question 15 is option C. Editing multiple slides consistently. Explanation: the Slide Master is used for consistent editing across multiple slides. Question 16. How can you add speaker notes to a slide in MS PowerPoint? A. Insert speaker notes. B. Notes page view. C. Slide master notes. D. Format notes. The correct answer to question 16 is option B. Notes page view. Explanation: Notes page view is used to add speaker notes. Question 17. What does PDF stand for? A. Portable document format. B. Personal document file. C. Print document format. D. Project data file. The correct answer to question 17 is option A. Portable document format. Explanation: PDF stands for Portable Document Format. Question 18. Which software is commonly used for viewing PDF documents? A. Adobe Acrobat Reader. B. Microsoft Word. C. Google Chrome. D. Microsoft Excel. The correct answer to question 18 is option A. Adobe Acrobat Reader. Explanation: Adobe Acrobat Reader is commonly used for viewing PDF documents. Question 19. What is the advantage of using PDF format for documents? A. Allows editing. B. Compact and maintains formatting. C. Requires special software. D. Suitable for audio and video embedding. The correct answer to question 19 is option B. Compact and maintains formatting. Explanation: PDF is compact and maintains formatting across different devices. Question 20. Which PDF feature allows you to secure a document with a password? A. Password Protect. B. Secure Encryption. C. PDF Lock. D. Document Guard. The correct answer to question 20 is option A. Password Protect. Explanation: you can secure a PDF document with a password using the Password Protect feature. Question 21. What is the purpose of the Drafts folder in an email system? A. Storing sent emails. B. Composing new emails. C. Archiving important emails. D. Saving unfinished emails. The correct answer to question 21 is option D, saving unfinished emails. Explanation: the drafts folder is used for saving unfinished email drafts. Question 22. Which folder in an email system is used for storing incoming emails? A. Sent items. B. Drafts. C. Inbox. D. Trash. The correct answer to question 22 is option C. Inbox. Explanation: the inbox is used for storing incoming emails. Question 23. What is the purpose of the reply all feature in email? A. Reply to the sender only. B. Reply to all recipients. C. Reply with attachments. D. Reply with formatting. The correct answer to question 23 is option B. Reply to all recipients. Explanation: reply all replies to all recipients of the original email. Question 24. What is the purpose of the spam folder in an email system? A. Organizing important emails. B. Storing drafts. C. Filtering unwanted emails. D. Archiving sent items. The correct answer to question 24 is option C. Filtering unwanted emails. Explanation: the spam folder is used for filtering and storing unwanted emails. Thank you everyone. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shoki Bilal.